Okay, this is what I received from ARTDOT. This is the way it came. This little drawer with these canisters, and you can put these labels right here and put them on the top and keep up with your stuff. This is like a rubbery feel. They slide good in and out. And then this is the DIY diamond painting kit. This is the butterflies. And I'm not 100% positive what that is. But this came with this little box right here. All right, and then I've this topper here just kind of lifts up, and you've got this, and you can have this separate like that if you want. I think that's very nice, and it fits on here very well. See, very nice. And you can pull the drawer completely out like this, and you can work with it. I like that idea. You can just have them out. Okay, so you can take the other one out. And you can have your diamond painting in the middle, and you can sit here and work with these. I really like that. And the trays, they go back in very easily. Look at that. Very easy. I think I'm just in love with this. All right, let's see what all comes in this kit. Okay, so once I took this little top off, here's what it looks inside. Very nice. And we are empty. So let's roll this out. Oh, here's our legend right here. Okay, so it goes this way. This is going to be beautiful. Look at this. This is really bright colors. Wow. And then they have them on the side here as well. And on this side. Let's take a look at this. Well, how neat. You get some of this. And you get, these are like stickers that you can put those on. Really nice. And then here's the tray. Really like that tray. Oh, there's a heart. Oh, that's your glue. Oh my gosh, how adorable. Here's your pencil, and it comes with one of these. Very nice. So, let's see. Let's see. Nope, that won't fit there. But it'll fit back there. How neat. And then these, I guess we'll put in the containers. All right. And there we go. Look at that. Okay, so this is a lot of colors. Look at this. Wow. So guys, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put these in the container here. I'll get this to turn over. There we go. I'm going to put these colors in these little tubes right here and see how that works. Well, there we go. Okay guys, so that's how it's going to work. So I'll get back with you here in a minute once I get all of these filled. So I've done about 3 of those on the very end, and I didn't realize, but this hole is to help you pour these back into the container. Look at that. Got one little straggler. Well, I might as well go ahead and put it on, right? There we go. All right, so I did put this on here, and let's get this piece back on. And I have the top of my glue thing off. This right here, it just peels back when you're done. Like this when you're working on it. Let's go ahead and do a couple more of these colors. Okay, I did discover that when you have this peeled back, don't lay anything on it because this is very sticky. Whew, I almost didn't get my paper off of it that had stuck. I very much like this. Very relaxing too. And ARTDOT does have a 10% off if you go to their website. They have just launched a new website. They, I guess, normally sell on Amazon, but they've opened up a website now. And I do have a link to provide for you in case you would like to, you know, purchase something off of their website. That little case, as you can see, is just awesome. I love that thing. But yeah, this is their one of their kits that they have, and I think it's a very nice kit. So here's a V over here. So guys, this is what your kit comes with. I haven't seen a tray like this that has an opening to pour into your little canisters. I think that's pretty awesome. And I like the heart-shaped glue. And then I like this that comes with it. Oh yeah, I forgot this. It does have this end. If you want to put multiple on at the same time, you just do your glue and then you go over there and you pick up some. So ARTDOT, thank you so much. I will leave links in the description box below for you guys so you can go check out their stuff on their website. But yeah, this is what their kit looks like if you purchase one of them. And the, let's see if I can move the camera over here. And this right here, you get, if you get one of these little storage things, I just think that's pretty awesome. So as I was rolling this back up, I was going to tell you, I don't know if you can see what kind of backing this is, but it's very nice. It's a nice thick piece of art here. Yeah, it's very, very nice. And I love that it came with this hard tube here because I can keep it stored in here. So thank you so much for that, ARTDOT. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, ARTDOT. And I appreciate this very much. I am 100% in love with what you sent me. So thank you so much, ARTDOT. And I hope you guys take a look at this and check it out and, see what they're all about. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.